If you're wondering how to track affiliate sales with GetResponse, this video is exactly what you need. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or already using GetResponse, I'll show you exactly how to set up and track your affiliate sales, step by step. Stay tuned, because I'll also be sharing some alternative tools that might be a better fit for your needs. Let's dive right into how GetResponse can help you track affiliate sales. First thing you need to do is sign up for GetResponse if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll want to go to the Conversions section of your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, as this feature lets you track your affiliate links, clicks, and conversions directly. Next thing you'll want to do is create a new campaign. Go to the Affiliate Programs area and choose to set up a new affiliate link. GetResponse makes it pretty simple here. You just enter the URL of your affiliate offer and trackable links will be generated for you. Now, here's a crucial point. GetResponse integrates with a lot of third-party tools, but setting up accurate tracking still requires attention to detail. Sometimes it doesn't automatically recognize every conversion source, and you'll need to manually input certain data. The third thing is setting up your tracking pixels. If you're running paid ads or using Facebook or Google Ads, you'll need to install tracking pixels on your affiliate pages. This allows GetResponse to track visitors from those ads and link them back to your affiliate sales. Keep in mind, this integration can be a bit tricky for beginners. You might need to refer to their help center or contact customer support if things aren't working perfectly. Moving on, the fourth thing to understand is how GetResponse organizes affiliate performance data. It'll show you the clicks, conversions, and the revenue generated, but sometimes the reporting could be a little more granular. If you want super detailed breakdowns by traffic source, for example, GetResponse may not offer the level of depth some affiliate marketers need. Lastly, the fifth point, GetResponse offers a simple dashboard for reviewing your performance, but if you want to scale up your affiliate efforts, you might find that it's limited in terms of advanced features. For example, if you want more sophisticated tracking or multi-channel attribution, GetResponse doesn't quite match up with tools like ClickFunnels or Thrivecart. These platforms offer more advanced sales funnels and detailed reporting out of the box. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that GetResponse does offer an extended free trial through the link in the description, but there are also other alternatives worth considering for affiliate marketing. These alternatives provide more robust tracking and reporting options, especially for those who are serious about scaling their affiliate sales. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Be sure to check out those alternatives. They might be a better fit for tracking affiliate sales, especially if you're looking for more advanced features to help grow your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for the best offers available.